Hello everyone and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. This week we're learning how to sign Worthy of It All by Cece Winans. So this song came in as a request. It is beautiful and it is nice and simple. So we are going to do this song in 3 parts. So today we're going to learn all of the signs we need, step by step through the whole thing. Tomorrow I will do a walkthrough that's just a little slower than the music to kind of give us all just a little more practice. And then finally we will sign with the music. Now remember, I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video, in the description, there is a link to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so this song has lots of repeating, which is helpful, and only one verse, so there isn't as much vocabulary as other songs. So it starts with all the saints and angels. So for all, you're going to take your dominant hand and start it with your palm out, and you're going to wrap it around your non-dominant hand. Okay? All the saints. So the sign for saint is holy person. So an H across your non-dominant hand, and then the outline of a person. Saints. And then angels. I love the sign for angels. Show those wings. Okay, sometimes when space is a little more difficult or it just kind of looks cool, you can go one out. That kind of looks neat too, but if you have room, you can do it side to side. Okay, so all the saints and angels bow before your throne. So bow is so nice and easy. Bow before your, it belongs to God, and then throne. Imagine that you're seated on a throne and you have those armrests. Okay? Throne, your throne. All the elders. So to sign elders, we're going to do leaders. Okay? So all the elders. So leaders, you're going to go ahead and take and lead your dominant hand. Okay? Leaders. And that's a person, okay? Lead person. Leaders cast their crowns. So you got a couple options for cast. You can, out. So that's kind of flicking your thumb. But what I want to do here is essentially what's happening is leaders are saying, I am not in charge here, you are. So because of that, I want to sign sacrifice their crowns, right? So we're going to take S's. We're going to bring it into our body, and then we're going to let it go to God, okay? Sacrifice. Okay? So all the leaders sacrifice their crowns, and you're going to almost make a little crown, okay? So Y hands, put it on your head. Okay, there's your crown. Crown. Before the Lamb of God. So for before, you could do like in the presence of, or you could do at. I'm probably going to do this, like in the presence of the Lamb. You're going to shear your forearm here, so almost making scissors with your dominant hand. The Lamb of God, a B down the middle of your face, God, and then sing, melody across your hand. Okay? That's the hardest part, guys. This is the hardest part of the song, so don't get discouraged. Sing. Okay, let's try that from the top. All the saints and angels bow before your throne. All the elders cast their crowns before the Lamb of God and sing. Okay? And now a nice and easy verse that we're going to have a lot in the song. You are worthy of it all. You, pointing to God in heaven, worthy. So for worthy, You're going to have your thumb and your index fingers together. Start here with your pinkies together and then bring it around. Be worthy. So you are worthy of it all. Wrap your hand around your other hand. We learned that already. You are worthy of it all. From you are all things. So you have that X hand position, from. Okay, from. Now you could do this directionally, but then you guys can't see my sign. From. So from you are all things, all things. Okay, all things. And then to, so index fingers coming together, to you are all things, and then you deserve the glory is the final line. You, and then deserve, non-dominant hand here, and it's like you're scooping stuff and bringing it into you. Deserve. Okay, deserve, and then glory. This is a beautiful sign. Leave your non-dominant hand out like this, middle finger, and then wiggling those fingers out. Glory. You deserve the glory. Let's try the chorus from the top, okay? You are worthy of it all. You are worthy of it all. From you are all things, and to you are all things. You deserve the glory. Okay, this is 2 out of 3 parts now we've learned. 2 out of 3 parts. So that repeats then, and once again, then the chorus again, and then it goes to the bridge. Day and night, night and day, let incense arise, and that repeats 8 times, that line. So day, so for that, you're gonna use your non-dominant arm to show the horizon, okay? And then we're gonna take this hand here, day, okay? Index finger up, day. So day and then night. Usually I sign night like this, so the sun is going down. But in this case, when we're talking about all night, we can do it this way. Okay, so it's like after the sun, you know, when we can't see the sun, when it's on the other side of the earth, all night. Because that's really what they're saying, right? Night and day, non-stop, the incense arise. Day and night, and then that goes night and day. Okay, so honestly, that's just a little coordination. And once you get the pattern down, it's simple. Day and night, night and day, let incense arise. So that's really figurative language, but really what they're saying, incense is a sweet smelling aroma. And in this case, we're going to do praise, a sweet smelling and something for God to hear. So let, hands coming out from your body, let praise, okay, praise, arise. So the bridge again, it's 8 times. Day and night, night and day, let incense arise. Let's practice again. Day and night, night and day, let incense arise. Okay, let's practice everything. Okay, we've already learned everything we need for this song. So from the top, all the saints and angels bow before your throne. All the elders cast their crowns before the Lamb of God and sing. And what do they sing? That you are worthy of it all. You are worthy of it all. That from you are all things, and to you are all things. You deserve the glory. Okay, and then that repeats, and the chorus repeats twice. And then actually, if you're signing the same version as I am, it's a live version. And Cece Winans actually talks a little bit. And she says, from the rising of the sun to the setting of the same. So the rising of the sun, if you want to sign that, it's actually a C hand. Okay? The rising of the sun to the setting of the same. So you'll need to know that. The rising of the sun to the setting of the same. You deserve the glory, I think she says. I can't quite remember, but I remember whatever she says, that you know how to do it. There might be a Lord in there. Okay, an L. Sorry, I just forget. And then it goes to the bridge. Day and night, night and day, let incense arise. Day and night, night and day, let incense arise. Day and night, night and day, let incense arise. And we'll do it one more time. We're not going to do it 8 times. Day and night, night and day, let incense arise. Okay, and then after that, it's one more bridge, and then you're done. Okay, so practice this one as many times as you need to, and when you're ready tomorrow, we're gonna walk through this whole song start to finish. Hope you're having a great day. Bye.